Alright, almost the end of another day here at the new shop. So there it is. Been unloading a SUV here all night. And yes, I am getting tired. So here's what we've been doing. We're down to about a week and a half before I'm supposed to be out of the old shop. Or new shop. That's a new shop. This is the old shop here. I don't care what they call it. Been working here, got the race bike in here, had a flat tire. Hard to believe the tube gave up after 30 years. Damn, no what's wrong with cheap tubes. So I gotta get a special tube. It's really small front tire tube. Don't have the one I want, so gotta order it tomorrow. Maybe pick it up. And I'll get this out of my way. So I've been working inside the shop here, clearing stuff out, making room. Doesn't look like it right now, but we actually did move a lot of stuff out of here. There's a whole bunch of motors under there, here, there, up there. Back over there is a bunch of motors down there. Yeah, we have motors everywhere. So I got to clear out this shelf unit out of here so I can make room for the milling machine. That has to go. I'll probably leave the rest of the stuff here for now. Run out of time. There's the old hone. I'll use that for now. I'll put the press someplace. Tank here's got to go. So obviously stuff is stacking up, needs to be moved. Clear out a bunch of stuff that's all through here. One more motor left, but that goes in the car out front. So I think I'll keep this one here. I'll finish it up and get my car running maybe another year or so. Get my Super B on the road again. That's what that pile of crap was out there. So I got an old welder back here, which nobody seems to want because it's old. Works good. Old TIG welder. Anyway, for now I'm gonna leave it there. Ain't got time to move it. Work around it for now. Got a box of junk, bunch of junk in a way. I gotta put that in storage. It's halfway in storage right now. All that stuff over there's got to clear out. All that there, everything up the hill. All that stuff's got to go. Make room for me. Of course, that's all my stuff, most of it. But yeah, whatever. So anyway, got a lot of stuff to get done in about 10 days. Yeah, see how much that really happens. Probably not all of it, I'm pretty sure. Anyway, there's the shop. I got one thing left I found. Got Dad's intercooler out of the Dodge from his upgrade. One part left, didn't make it. Yeah, one of those. Derby cover for Sporty. Close up the door. That's locked now. There's a super turd. Yeah, need to get it going again. Been doing a lot of work out here. Cleared it, moved it. Painted the front, but not the side. We're waiting to do that. Gotta get a new door. Working on it. So this is our stairway. Nice and friendly. Get a good workout coming up that stair. You can tell there's a lot of miles on the floor. You can tell where we walk too, it's worn away. Yeah, that's the dark 430. And it is, I think it dropped a degree. It's down to 76. It was 77 all day so far. There's Mom's office. I'm just filling it full of crap for now. Oh, my light went out. Yeah, we're working on that. So there's the parts area. Parts counter's not quite emptied out yet. Rearranged the shelves a little bit. Fred came by today. A couple other people were helping me at work, loading the truck. Maybe about 3 people helped me today, a little bit off and on. But as usual, at the end of the day, I gotta move everything. So I emptied the SUV. They helped move stuff though. We had to clear a lot of stuff off all these shelves because they were all full of crap. And then rearrange them. Why's that up in here? So that one got turned from sideways to that way. It's a little tight right there, but I'm alright, I'm skinny. We moved this one sideways, or straight. Cleared up some space. So all the SUV stuff is just top of that shelf, floor, that back shelf unit, on that floor, and a couple things over here. That's the whole truck SUV load. I pack pretty good. So this is a bulk inventory here. This is bulk that nobody wants to ever buy that crap in here. So no reason to put on a shelf, just stack it up for now. Got transmission stuff in the back that I'm burying. There's motor stuff there. Lots of piston rings and pistons up there and plug wires from Crane. So all of my normal inventory that I use for doing motors and all that, and normal stuff I sell a lot of, is going to go along these shelves here. It'll fill these up pretty quick. So, and then I got this shelf here to put some stuff on, and these two back in here. So I got those. And then all this area right here is just going to be bulk on the floor for now. And then I'll eventually put some more shelves in here and bring this out to here. I'm not sure I'll do on the center aisle here. Maybe I'll just stack big boxes and trip over them. That's how you get rid of inventory. You just bury it in a big pile, and no, I don't need to get any of that stuff, so it's good. We need to work on this stuff over here. So that's how you do it. Alright, so this is NOS stuff that goes upstairs. This is new parts here. Real parts are upstairs. Got some shelvings that haven't filled yet. So, all this stuff I threw up here, this came out of the SUV. So way down there, we've been filling that aisle up way down there. Got 2 shelves I filled up. 2.5. That was most of the stuff downstairs. Put a little bit of stuff here, a little bit on top. We're packing it pretty good. So this is going down here. For now, right there. That's the spot now. Linkards, lots of linkards. So all this stuff's got to be moved. Right now it's not too hot up here. It's been scorching up here. So here's a big load of crap here. We've brought this in today. That there is 2.5 truckloads of crap stuffed in the middle of the aisle. So that's about 10 foot deep now. That's how you put a lot of inventory in one spot real quick. The shelves are filling up. We're trying to fill them as we go, but not all of them got filled. They got buried though. So stuff on these shelves is pretty damn heavy. Yeah. Got some Sportster crap got mixed in with the real parts. I don't know how that happened. See, real parts are old like that. Sportster stuff looks like that. And we got 45 stuff up in there. So, K model 45, knucklehead, panhead, VL, RL, that's stuff that's old. Sportster stuff, yeah, that's modern. Not too carried away. And I'm starting to backfill this area over here a little bit. Anyway, eventually this is going to be stuff pretty filled up here. So this is the parts that were down on the shelves, mixed in. I told him bring blue boxes. I didn't specify aftermarket new parts, not genuine Harley stuff, not used stuff. Oh well, you get what you get when you get help. I'll take all I can get. There's some springers. I got more. That's the used ones there. The new ones we hide. So anyway, we're going to get this all loaded up. So I'm not getting a lot of help, but a little bit of help I do get. It's helpful. I have about 6 or 8 people that help off and on fairly regularly, so I guess that's how long we're 6 or 8 people. Yeah, good thing I help everybody. Like Walker. Yeah, he's worthless. But oh well, it's getting done. It's late. I'm tired. It's almost dinner time. It's 4:30. Time to get out of here. Keep out. Don't come in. Yeah. A lot of work. All right, there you go. Down the stair we go.